So with a little bit of struggling and effort, we got the Supra in the garage. I'm gonna start somewhere simple with this thing and fix this door handle, because when I bought it, the kid broke it. So that was the first thing I bought, so that's the first thing we're gonna do. No, this car's not perfect, hence why it's becoming a burnout car, but it'll be fun. So to get this door cover off isn't too bad. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws there. 1 screw for the trim piece that goes in somewhere around here, and then I believe that's it. And then just this connector. And this car has been attacked by mice, so that's really the reason why it's not becoming a street car. But here's my problem, is right in here, you might be able to see this little lever is no longer connected, right inside here. That and that are supposed to be together. So I'm gonna remove this door handle. Looks like 1 screw here, 1 screw back in there, and then this door clip, which won't come off, but I'll get that off in a second. Alright, so once you struggle and get this bolt out up here, that one, and get the key lock out if you want to keep yours, and get that bolt out, then you just got to lift it up enough where that little tab, and well, it should come out, but we got a wire. And once you fight with that plug, you got yourself a door handle. So this right here is where mine broke. It looks like it's been starting to break for a while, but I got one in the back over here somewhere. I think it's in there. And yeah, we'll swap it out and have a working handle again. And with a little bit more struggling of putting the bolts back in, all done in there, connecting the 2 little connectors down here, we got ourselves a working door handle again. One thing done, now for many, many other things.